Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech tutorial on this channel. Today, we're diving into a common but frustrating issue: problems with the Microsoft Store. Whether it's apps not downloading, updates failing, or just general glitches, we'll cover how to troubleshoot and fix these issues step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to tackle any Microsoft Store problem like a pro. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tech tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Checking your internet connection. The first thing to always check when facing Microsoft Store issues is your internet connection. Even a slight interruption can cause downloads and updates to fail. Open a web browser and visit a few websites to ensure your connection is stable. If it's not, troubleshoot your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection accordingly. Step 2. Updating Windows. Outdated versions of Windows can sometimes conflict with the Microsoft Store. Let's ensure your operating system is up to date. To do this, navigate to your computer's settings. You can find settings easily by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or simply press the Windows key +I on your keyboard. Once in Settings, locate and click on Update and Security. This section is essential as it oversees the overall health of your system, including updates. Once you're in Update and Security, you'll notice several options on the left-hand side. Click on Windows Update. Here, you'll see a button labeled Check for Updates. Go ahead and click on that. Now, depending on your internet speed and the size of the updates, this process might take a few moments to complete. If updates are found, allow them to download and install completely. This step is crucial because it ensures that your system is equipped with the latest security patches, bug fixes, and feature enhancements provided by Microsoft. After updating, proceed to check if the issue with the Microsoft Store persists. This often resolves compatibility issues that affect the store. Step 3. Clearing the Microsoft Store cache. The next step is clearing the store cache. Over time, cached data can become corrupted, leading to various issues. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog, then type in WS Reset and hit Enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and hopefully resolve any caching issues causing problems. Step 4. Checking date and time settings. Believe it or not, incorrect date and time settings can prevent the Microsoft Store from functioning properly. Make sure your date, time, and time zone settings are correct. To do this, let's head back into your computer's settings. Once in Settings, look for the section labeled Time and Language. Click on this section to open it. Within Time and Language, you'll see several options related to date, time, and region settings. Start by checking the Date and Time tab. Here, you can enable Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically to ensure your system clock is synchronized with the Internet Time Server and accurately reflects your current location. If these options are already enabled but you notice discrepancies in your date, time, or time zone, you can manually adjust them by disabling the automatic settings and selecting the correct options from the drop-down menus. Additionally, under the Region tab within Time and Language, ensure that your country or region is correctly selected. This setting affects various aspects of your system, including language preferences and regional formatting, which can impact how the Microsoft Store operates. Step 5. Running the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Microsoft provides a built-in tool to diagnose and fix common store issues. Go to Settings, then Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot and select Windows Store Apps. Run the troubleshooter. It will automatically detect and repair issues if possible. Step 6. Resetting the Microsoft Store. If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, you can try resetting the Microsoft Store app itself. Click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Next, right-click on the app and select App Settings. Here you'll find many options for the app, but for now click on Reset the app. This will reinstall the store and can often fix persistent problems. Step 7. Signing out and back into the Microsoft Store. Occasionally, signing out and back into your Microsoft account within the store can resolve authentication or syncing issues. Open the Microsoft Store. Click on your profile icon and select Sign Out. Restart the Store app and sign back in with your credentials. Step 8. Contacting Microsoft Support. If you've tried everything and are still experiencing issues, it may be time to contact Microsoft Support. They have dedicated resources to assist with store problems and can provide further troubleshooting steps specific to your situation. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common Microsoft Store issues on your Windows device. Remember, technology can be finicky sometimes, but with a little patience and know-how, you can conquer any problem that comes your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more tech tips and tricks.